right, everybody, what's up? Welcome to WP Digital Dash, hosted by Joe Laya. I'm going to teach you guys today how to do a one-click WordPress installation with DigitalOcean. If you don't know what DigitalOcean is, you're probably in the wrong place. Check out my video up there, which tells you why DigitalOcean is superior to other products, other hosting companies. We won't get into that today. We're going to go through how to install WordPress in 5 minutes, one-click installation. If you don't have a DigitalOcean account, you can sign up below. I have a link. You can sign up. It is an affiliate link, and you will be supporting me. Thank you for the support. All right, so once you have your DigitalOcean account, go ahead and log in, set up your billing and all that jazz, and then we're going to go ahead and create a droplet. From the dashboard, we're going to create a droplet. Now, make sure you go to one-click apps. That's where WordPress is, and then select WordPress 4.9.1 on 16.04. Ubuntu, that is 4.9.1. It might be an older version of WordPress, but you can update it once you install it. I'm assuming you're on a staging server, just getting started with WordPress. Let's do the cheapest option, $5 a month, 1 GB, which is perfect for a starter website. We're not going to add backups. We're not going to add block storage. We don't need that right now. I'm in Detroit, represent Detroit. And so I'm going to go ahead and select New York for data centers closer to me. So my ping is lower and I connect faster. And if you're in different parts of the country, United States, or out of the country, you can go ahead and select different data centers. I'm going to go ahead and turn on monitoring because it allows you to see your CPU usage and application usage and whatnot. Not necessary, but it doesn't hurt. So I'm going to call this WordPress one-click install. Doesn't matter what you call it. You don't have to call it your domain name. You can. It's a friendly name. We'll get into setting up a domain name in a second here. So go ahead and click create. So then you're going to go to a page where your droplet's going to be loading it. So while your droplet's loading, let's go to your domain manager, register wherever it is, GoDaddy, one-on-one internet, Namecheap, that's whatever it is, it's fine. So find your DNS management settings, and you want to make sure that your name servers are set as ns1digitalocean.com, ns2digitalocean.com, and ns3digitalocean.com. You can do that by clicking change and then just setting it from default to custom and then clicking save. It can take up to 15 minutes, maybe 2 hours, maybe 24 hours for that to propagate. So if you see something like a page that looks like this, it's probably because you haven't waited enough time. So anyways, so now I should have an email. Great, I got an email on how to install or for my droplet to install so I can log in via SSH. If you don't know how to SSH, go ahead and click my video up there. I'll show you how to SSH into a server. With Mac, it's a little bit easier because you don't have to have a secondary application. With Windows, you do have to have a second application called Putty. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and log into this by in our terminal doing SSH root at the IP address. And then it's going to ask you, do you want to accept the server? Yes, because it's my server and I know it's not malicious. And so I'm going to go ahead and copy this password, go back to terminal, paste it. You will not see it being pasted. Everything loads up. So you have to change your password for WordPress to be installed. Otherwise, it won't let you enable WordPress. So let's go ahead and change my password, put in my current password. Again, you won't see it. You won't see me typing in the password either. And great. Please wait while we get your droplet ready. Okay. So I'm going to wait for that to load. Make sure your name servers are set. And it's reloading the droplet. Great. So I should be back in now. So go back to your terminal. SSH root into it again. WordPress has been enabled. See that? That means we can now log into our WordPress site. So if I go to our website, WP Digital Dash, just what I'm using for now. Oh, it still doesn't work because we have to add under the networking tab in DigitalOcean, we have to add our domain. So our domain is wpdigital-.com. Go ahead and add that domain. And so when you add it to the network tab in DigitalOcean, you can see those name servers that you set earlier in domain registrar. And now it should work after you put in the host name. So Go ahead and put in an @ symbol if you don't want www, which we're not going to use right now. And click that friendly name that you created earlier. Click create record. So now if I do this, it should work. Click enter. There you go. Easy as that. WordPress, it doesn't matter again what you do any of these. It's just for, this is just for testing, just to show you how fast we get a WordPress installation in there. So that's it. I'm in. And that's how you do a one-click installation of WordPress on DigitalOcean. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions in the comments. See you later.